Hello, we will show you how to save a scene, recall your work, and display it on the patient list page. And you can quickly launch the scene from this particular setting. So as an example, from here you can see the implant planning feature has been performed. You can save any particular measurement, doesn't have to be just this. What you do is you can go to the Save Scene tab right here. The other way you can get to the same place, right click your mouse, it pops up a menu, and if you can see this way down here, or you can hit Save Scene right at the bottom of the list when you pop up on the right click on the menu, Save Scene. So I prefer to hit this little blue arrow on this book icon, and then you don't need the patient's name or date. You don't even need to save the name if you don't want to. If you are saving the name, just simply type over the blue. If you hit the space bar, the OK grays out. If you want to separate a word, use a hyphen, dot, or underscore. That way the OK stays a solid black and does not gray out. Remember, do not use the space bar when you're saving the scene. So once you have your scene name typed in, click OK, and it'll send it to the list. You can exit, and it'll automatically be saved to the list. However, if you stay in the same session, what you do is you have to refresh the patient list page. So what you do, go back to review, or come out of implant in this case, and then you have to hit the update patient list. So patient list, actually, update patient list. See this? Update patient list. Once you click it, click your patient again, there is your scene. If you want to load it, just double click and it loads up as we saved it from the scene. There we go. So next time you go to your patient, there's the scene, and this is the second one we named. Once it's highlighted, you'll see it over here in the previous screen. If you don't see the previous screen, it's probably clicked off, and then you can just load it from here. You can save a scene from a scene that you launched. However, it will not save over the originals you see here. It's created a second one. So you can continue to save scenes if you wish, or if you want, you can delete previous scenes or ones that maybe you don't want to keep. What you do, highlight, left click, then right click. Go down to Series Management, go over to Delete Series. Okay, asks if you want to delete it. Then you just type in scan, S-C-A-N, and the same word here, scan. Leave this blank, type OK, and then this will go away when you hit OK. Thanks for watching this video on how to save scenes and recall your work. Remember, if you wish to look at the other videos on our library for more detailed descriptions of other topics, please visit those videos, and then you can watch those. Okay, thank you.